Hey, let me share what it's like when the darkness surrounds. Every day's a battle just to step outside. I'm a ghost in a crowd, feeling lost and invisible. Voices whispering recklessly, pulling me to heights. Fighting shadows at every turn, I'm caught in this fight. Just like Chester said, my mind's a bad neighborhood. I don't wanna walk alone, I wish I understood. But I hear my sister's call and my mama's gentle tone. My daddy's strength, my brother's love, they carry me on. Through this hurricane in my brain, I'm battling storms, feeling all this pain. Sometimes I'm agitated, fighting for no reason. But I'll rise from the ashes, I'll break through this season. God made me this way, I won't hide in shame. I'm learning to embrace it. I'm on in my name. Sometimes I'm sorry for the words that I say. Caught in a cycle, just trying to find my way. Bipolar brain, twists and it turns. ADHD racing while the fire still burns. I just wanna be normal, but I'm learning to cope with family and friends and my lifeline, my hope. Through the highs and the lows, I won't let it define. There's a light at the end of this dark winding line. I'll fight through the shadows, I'll stand and I'll shout. I'll never take the easy way, that's not what I'm about. Through this hurricane in my brain, I'm battling storms, feeling all this pain. Sometimes I'm agitated, fighting for no reason. But I'll rise from the ashes, I'll break through this season. God made me this way, I won't hide in shame. I'm learning to embrace it. I'm on it. So here's to the struggle, the fight that we face. Every tear that I shed, every scar, every trace. I'm not just a ghost, I'm a warrior inside. With love as my armor, I'll never subside. Through this hurricane in my brain, I'm battling storms, feeling all this pain. Sometimes I'm agitated, fighting for no reason. But I'll rise from the ashes, I'll break through this season. God made me this way, I won't hide in shame. I'm learning to embrace it. I'm on it now. Share what it's like when the darkness surrounds. I've got my family, my friends, my God, I'm unbound. Through every storm and shadow, I'll find my way home. With love by my side, I'll never be alone.